This is the Stereopsis.
Good day and welcome to the Stereopsis. For a people to thrive in Nigerian space, they must be very wise and very strategic. The Igbos, on the other hand, have learnt their lesson in a very, very hard way. The Southeast, not protesting because of the current rise of cost of living and the cost of commodities in the market, is not because they are immune to the hardship, but because elections have real-life consequences. That when we make election choices based on tribe or any other thing apart from competence, that we all bear the results. That every generation of the Southeast have had to adopt a strategy to live in Nigerian space, a strategy to evade the consequence of being an Igbo man. And that is what this generation is trying to do. They are adopting new tactics or new strategy to live among the other tribes in Nigerian space. If we've learned anything, is that the last election and the NSAS protests have taught the Igbo man or the Southeasterner that what other regions can get away with, the Igbos may not be able to get away with it. And with this, we want to ask other regions who are angry that Igbos are not joining the protest to bear with us, to understand the peculiarity of being a Southeasterner. If they join this protest, don't be surprised what happened during the NSAS may likely happen, where the Igbos were branded as an opportunist trying to overthrow the Yorubas in Lagos. That's just the truth. The Igbos have, or the Southeasterners have been at the forefront of every protest for a better Nigeria, from pre-independence of the Zik to even the first coup that happened in Nigeria.